Hi, this is Sri from Techie Talks AI. What if an AI cloud run your computer for you? This isn't just AI, it is a new digital work partner. From code to autonomous AI workers, Claude Cowork and Cowork Explain. This January 16th, this Cowork is available to pro subscribers. So what I'm showing today is accessible only to subscribers who are at least paying $20 a month. So we have a pro account. So I will demonstrate and make it clear to you in few minutes what is Cowork and what is Claude Code. First thing is you need to install Claude Desktop in order to access Claude Cowork, because this Cowork sits on your computer. So search for Claude Desktop and you get to the download link. And mine is a Mac OS, so I'm downloading it here. And then you need to install it. So let it download. I've already, so once it is downloaded, in case of Mac, you need to drag and put it in the applications folder. And then you can start the application. So I will show you the free version and I will show you how it looks when we upgrade. Okay, so this is how the application is starting. So get started. I will continue with my Google account just to show you the free. Okay, so I'm signed in with my Google account. I'm checking mark all the check boxes. Okay, so here it's asking you to subscribe. It is $70 per month if you pay yearly, and $20 if you pay monthly. This is for the pro account, and this is for $100 max. And Claude recommends using max, and I'm sure you will soon reach a stage where you will want this $100 per month subscription. That is the free account, and you can ignore this MCP. That is my development MCP. I understand. Before getting started, I will call my name. I will call Sri. Friend. I will click. Let's go. Okay. Okay. Claude Code is a command line tool which you can install by executing the curl command. So I will execute that as well. Okay, so there is a security warning. You will need to give -K to bypass the SSL validation. So let this continue. This is Claude Code on the command line. Now, coming back to our desktop application, do you see this? This is the Claude Desktop. And we have the chat interface here, which is selected, where you can interact like ChatGPT. Then we have the Cowork, which is available only to pro users. Okay. Okay, I'll click continue. Even if you click, that tab won't become active. So now I will show you my pro account. Pro account, when we start, first time when you start your Claude Desktop, after you have upgraded to Pro, it will take around 5 minutes for it to set up the Claude workspace. So this is the recording of my installation to save time. Okay, so and after that, it will say starting the Claude workspace. And then workspace is ready. Then we can click on this plugins here. So when you click on plugins first time, it will say network access required. You need to come to settings and capabilities and allow network egress. Just make it on. and then come back to browser plugin. It'll say add marketplace or upload a plugin. And when you click on the drop down, you will notice that there is no Anthropic plugin collection. So what you need to do is you need to close the application and restart. After that, come back to the plugins menu and click the drop down, and you will see the plugins by Anthropic. That is what we need initially. And then you will see a list of plugins. See here, bioresearch, customer support. These are all independent multi-agent mechanisms that we can use it as a co-worker. Enterprise search, finance, legal, marketing, product management, productivity. So this isn't just another chatbot. It is an agentic AI that takes action for you, not just chats. Claude Code has been installed, and Claude Code is AI that runs in your terminal or desktop and reads and edits files, writes and executes code, even handles multi-step coding tasks. So this is Claude Code command line. Okay, so here, this cowork, you can install, like I'm installing the marketing plugin. And then you can click on manage to come to the manage page to see and select options. And the beauty is these slash commands like slash brand hyphen review, all accessible at the cowork's prompt. Are you getting what cowork is? I will show you the cowork's prompt, which looks like ChatGPT, but here all these slash commands are available. Remember, each command is like a worker that can do the entire task and report it back to you. So Cowork is a user-friendly version of Claude Code, same smarts wrapped in everyday Claude Desktop app. So non-developers can use powerful AI automation without touching a terminal. So think of Cowork as Claude Code for everyone. Under marketing, you have all these skills and these commands. Okay, I'm back again. Often you will need to restart. There are some bugs in it. Here you see Cowork. So in order to access, first you need to download the desktop app from Cloud AI, sign in with your subscription, and you need Pro or Max. You will see tabs like Chat, Cowork, and Code. Okay, Chat, Cowork, and Code. Claude Code is for builders, and the use cases are write new features, debug errors, refactor code, auto-generate tests. For example, a demo prompt could be Claude, open this project folder, find any failing Python tests, and fix them. This instructs Claude to read files, change code, and help rebuild your project. And this is nothing new because Gemini, CLI is there, Codex from OpenAI is there. We are used to them. And you can also use Claude Code via Web UI. To conclude, you can access Claude Code via Web UI, desktop by clicking this tab, or terminal. And of course, inside IDEs like VS Code. Coming back to Claude Cowork, Claude Cowork is for everyday tasks. What it does are organize folders and files, generate reports from piles of data, convert formats, PDF spreadsheet, auto-executes multi-step workflows. This is what is making it like an assistant. And what makes this Cowork powerful is collection of ready-made plugins. Those plugins are templates that can behave like a real assistant. So tell the co-worker what you want to accomplish in terms of marketing or, optimize applications or whatever, and then you can walk away. It executes autonomously. Cowork works within the desktop app's UI. You don't need a terminal. Remember, for Cowork, you don't need a terminal. You need the desktop application. So the use cases are research report generation, code base, fixing, optimization, auto conversion, document creation, automated data extraction and transformation. Of course, you are familiar with the safety tips. Always review what Claude Cowork or Claude Code plans to do before giving full permission. Be careful with vague prompts. AI automation can misinterpret and do unintended changes. So we are standing at a tipping point from asking AI for answers to let it do real work for us. If you're a developer, Claude Code can be like having a tireless junior engineer. If you're a creator, manager, or knowledge worker, Cowork can handle workflow tasks you never had time for. So here is the big question. What will you ask your AI to do for you first? Like and subscribe for more AI workflows. Comment below with your first Cowork prompt idea. Tech doesn't have to be confusing. Mentor Expert gives you dedicated one-on-one mentorship, clear explanations, and expert support tailored to what you need. Learn with confidence.